Good morning, saints. I want to take you to John 20, verse 19 and 20, where Jesus, in that evening when the disciples were scared for the fear of the Jews, Jesus came and stood in their midst and said to them, says the Bible, "Peace be with you." And when he had said this, he showed them both his hands and his side. Then the disciples were glad when they saw the Lord. Saints, after the resurrection, Jesus' next steps included appearing suddenly among his fearful disciples who had locked themselves away in hiding. Despite the closed doors and their paralyzing fear of the authorities, the risen Christ entered their midst, unhindered, and spoke the powerful words, "Peace be with you." He did not rebuke their fear or abandonment, but offered shalom, deep restoring peace that calmed their troubled hearts. Then he showed them the undeniable evidence of his crucifixion to assure them the wounds in his hands and side. This was not a ghost or a vision, it was the living physical Lord with the scars of sacrifice still visible, proving that the cross and the tomb had not defeated him. His presence turned terror into gladness as the disciples rejoiced at seeing their risen master. These post-resurrection steps revealed Jesus' tender pursuit of his followers, even in their weakest moments. He comes to the fearful, the doubting, and the hidden, bringing peace that surpasses understanding and tangible proof that overcomes skepticism. Today, the resurrected Christ still steps into our locked rooms of anxiety and our shame or our disappointment, offering the same peace and showing us the wounds that secured our forgiveness. His presence transforms sorrow into joy and sends us forward as witnesses. May we open our hearts to his appearing, receive his peace, and live with the gladness of those who have truly seen the risen Lord. May you be blessed and have a wonderful weekend. Shalom.